Hi everybody, welcome to Eastway Toyota of Windsor. My name is Mark St. Dennis. I'm the service manager here, and I'm here today to give you 5 helpful tips on how to keep your car ready for the summer. Tip number 1, you have to keep your engine running cool. You have to have your eye on the serpentine belt, free from cracks and debris, as well as your water pump. Check that way there's no leaks. Make sure the coolant level stays up. That way there's no overheating issues. Tip number 2, always keep your eye on your tires. With the hot heat, the tires are black, the hot surface of the road, that's going to create a lot of heat and friction. You don't want your tires to wear down. Just keep your eye on your tires. Tip number 3, your dashboard. Keep your eye on for any lights. A yellow light is precaution, red light means that there's an issue. So don't hesitate, give us a call. We'd love to help you out if there's any issues with your vehicle. Tip number 4 is for long drives. Make sure your maintenance is up to date, check your engine oil, make sure your oil and your filter has been changed on a regular basis. Number 5, window shades. In the summertime, it's a lot of heat coming down on your windshield. If you have the opportunity, purchase a window shade. That way there, when you go into your car and you turn on your AC, it'll take a lot less for your car to cool down. Those there are 5 tips to help keep your car running cool this summer. Come on in, we would love to have you in for service. Thank you.